this recording is going to highlight what you need to focus on when studying about diabetes, which is in chapter 51, the child with endocrine or metabolic alteration. And for this chapter, again, all we're going to focus on is diabetes mellitus. It starts on page 1260. And I mean, diabetes in general goes to the end of the chapter, but we're going to go from 1260 to 1268, which really just focuses mostly on type 1 diabetes mellitus. So you have had diabetes already in lecture in MedSurg 1 or transitions. So I'm not going to provide a recorded lecture that's going over all the details and information about it. I'm just going to tell you what I need you to focus on. So first of all, what is diabetes? You need to have an understanding of the disease process itself. Signs and symptoms of hypo and hyperglycemia you want to be familiar with. Normal blood glucose levels you want to be familiar with. How insulin, why peak is important for insulin. So tying in not only the MedSurg 1 and transitions, but pharmacology also. And beyond that, I want you to just focus on the boxes that are covered in this chapter. So there's a box about managing the child with type 1 diabetes mellitus. A table of examples of diabetes management tasks delegated to children or to the child. There's a pretty big nursing care plan, a purple nursing care plan for the child with type 1 diabetes mellitus in the community setting. And then finally, a really good teaching box about sick day management for the child with type 1 diabetes mellitus. So when you're studying, again, go ahead and give yourself a good review of what diabetes is, signs and symptoms of hypo, hyper, the medications, all that good stuff, and focus on those boxes when studying.